This is the third of 20 trades I'm going through to find consistency. I just made $91 trading the micro futures on the S&P 500. It was pretty simple. I broke it all down for you. I show you exactly in real time what I'm thinking, what I'm hoping for as the trade continues, and there's tons of golden nuggets in there. You can see me in real time, go ahead and trade it, and I ended up making 91 bucks. So let's get started right now. So I am looking to go long, but I need to be looking to go long when it's more down in the 15 EMA range, maybe down to VWAP, something like that. We need to wait until it settles a bit, calms itself down, kind of pushes around a little bit, and then that's when I need to be entering to see, what happens from there. So I'm trying to get filled here. I wanted to get filled just down here, but it didn't catch. I'm raising the limit order up a little bit with 3 contracts in the micro futures for the S&P 500. I'm just hoping that it comes down and touches. So there you go. Just got in. So I'm in that right now. My stop's going to be below VWAP here just to see what happens. So this is looking half decent for it to move. Hopefully, this is exactly what you want to see. I want to see a bigger push of volume here. I'm already set up to sell off once we reach this high, and that's just giving myself 4 points. So in this series of trades that I'm doing, you're going to see me repeat over and over again. Once I get 4 points, I just take off 1 contract. That's from Mark Douglas in the book, Trading in the Zone. I'll just repeat myself with that. He basically says take off 1 right away so that you lock in a little bit of profit so that if it does end up turning against you, you've mitigated some risk. A lot of the times, if it's not even able to get under the 15 EMA like that, and it still has power, and it doesn't come all the way down and knock stops out, then you really know you have a good winner, in my opinion, because then you really have a lot of strength behind it. So I just got filled on my order there, made 20 bucks, you can see down here. So that's good. We're getting that good push. I locked in $20 profit. This is a small account. I only have 48.56 in here. So I'm just trading kind of nice and light and easy. I'm not risking a lot. The whole point of these 20 trades that I'm doing is just to find consistency in my trading, not to make a crap load of money. It's to find consistency, and then once I find that consistency and my brain psychologically is working on that consistency, that's when I can start to grow the account and really focus on, methodically raising. I go to a 15-minute now. I look over to the left and I see, okay, where's kind of the next resistance, kind of an area. Obviously we have one here, right? And then we have another one here. But that's kind of early from the move we just did, so I think I would be looking more for this guy. Because look at the volume down here, right? See, we want to pay attention to volume, and we want to see, okay, what level? Yeah, this is a level, but not as much volume going on. This had the bigger volume the other day. So this obviously was an area where a lot of people stepped in and pushed the price down. So that would be my first profit target. And I'd want to kind of bring it down so that I'm not being greedy. I'm not trying to get the top. Oh, let it go to the tippy top. I want it to just go to the meat of that move and be able to get it, right? We can see down here on the 1 minute on the SPY, we're getting that nice push that I would want. We're reaching right onto that target, the green line showing me the price right now. So now we want to push through that. So my next zone would be that I want to get in. I would say sell 1 right here. We're getting a nice push, which is great. I have the sell. We obviously were able to beat that limit that that area I showed before. So we're hoping to get up, push up to this, right? I'm just staying nice and calm. I'm objectively seeing we have really good volume here. We have some zones we want to kind of get through and some areas we want to hit. Come on, push, 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 push. I thought it was there. There you go. Okay, got the order filled, so I made 67 on that. So far on the day, I'm up 150, but we're still moving around. But 67 and 20, so already just under 90 bucks. Perfect entry would have been down here. That would have been my play. Turnover on the 15, nice tight Bollinger especially. Good rush of volume, nice push. You're entering down here. This is a $300, $400 trade already, right? So, I mean, I'm just coming in right, I'm coming in right here. So you can see how these have huge potential, right? All right, so I'm going to end it right there. I'll post exactly what it is that I ended up making on it because I'm going to leave my stop down here and have a free trade. Thanks for sticking around this long. I mean, I'm calling it out as I go. What I was hoping would happen actually happened. You're witnessing it. So if you want to follow along, subscribe, like, put your notifications on. I'm going to do, this is 3 of 20. I'm going to go through and do 20 trades. And you can watch the entire journey. I have no idea how it's going to end. So far, it's going pretty decent. We're just going to stay on this track and stay nice and consistent. Not worry about profit. We're going to worry about consistency. We're going to worry about our trading plan. That's what we can do together, right? We can grow together. And we can find success. I feel it. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.